Ever uploaded a document into a trial master file just to find out it was already there? You're not alone. Duplicate documents waste time, clutter your trial master file, and simply leads to compliance risks. That's why Flex Databases developed a duplicate detection in our trial master file. Basically, it starts working since you upload a document. Watch this. I'm uploading a monitoring report. The system scans it in real time and brings to my attention all the potential duplicates. It checks both name and content. Now, I can choose to skip, replace, or link these documents between each other, all in one click. If I want to know the exact similarities, I can even compare the documents, and the system will highlight the difference like this. No more duplicates, no more guessing, just a clean, inspection-ready trial master file.